Yeah, hi, we are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Smart Garbage Collecting Truck using Arduino, GSM, GPS and IoT. So in this project I am using an Arduino Uno R3 and one HC SR04 ultrasonic sensor I am using, and one 16x2 LCD display, a GPS VK16A 65 channel GPS module I am using. It's working under 9600 baud rate, and I am using one GSM SIM 800L module I am using, and we are getting the SMS alert, and mainly we are coding on the some Google Map integration code here we are doing. So here we are using ultrasonic sensor, trigger and echo, and we are showing the LCD showing on the LED empty, low, mid, full. So now I am going to parcel the kit. Okay, so this is the entire box. Yeah, okay, with the safety packing. Yeah, okay, and this is ultrasonic sensor. Okay, and this is one adapter for the GSM module. Yeah, this is our entire project kit. So here we having 4 LED, low, empty, low, low, mid, full. So like this, empty, low, mid, full. So here you need to insert like up. So there is a up, so you need to connect it up to up. Okay, so everything is empty. So here LED. So this is power supply section, Arduino Uno R3 board, LCD display, and here GSM module, and this is GPS module, GPS, GSM, and here we are using, we need to require one SIM card. So take any SIM card, micro SIM card. So you need to insert. Okay, so press it. Use any 2G SIM card or 3G, but not 4G. Okay, so we are using one adapter. Okay, so adapter I given the power supply. So and next, so I'm giving the power supply to the board. So automatic garbage collection truck van using GSM GPS, and we are getting the latitude, and here that GPS having a LED. Okay, GSM initialization, GSM initialized successfully, and empty pin. Okay, so it is empty pin. So empty pin. Now I'm going to insert the particles. Okay, so I added some newspaper onto this. Okay, low level. Okay, low level. Okay, and it is low. So now it is full, and it is sending one SMS alert. Okay, I got the SMS alert. So open the Google Map, and it is showing that SVS embedded. If you repress everything, okay, open the internet and close location. Okay, so open the SMS, open it, press it. Okay, yeah, it is asking the, so this is where SVS embedded. Okay, so this is the latitude value and this is the longitude value. Okay, so next I'm going to restart it. GSM, okay, GSM initialized, empty bin, okay, low level, mid level, okay, mid level, full, full, open it, third one, open this, okay, so this is the latitude value and this is the longitude value, and we can add truck driver 1 2 3, you can add number of persons, okay. This is my entire code, okay. So it's mainly on the programming, empty bin, low level, mid level, full, sending SMS1, SMS2. Now I am adding for the two mobile numbers. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.